Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating an event. Click the time slot or press C to add one. Describe what the meeting is and where it happens, then invite participants by email so everyone gets an invite. Once done, pick which calendar to save it to and set the visibility for privacy. Make sure to add at least one notification. A 10-minute alert is common. This initial setup ensures your event appears correctly and people receive clear details and reminders. Switch to the edit view for full control. Add Google Meet, attach files, and paste agendas into the description so attendees know the plan. Once done, configure recurrence, daily, weekly, or custom, so repeating meetings auto-populate without manual entry. Make sure time zones are set for remote participants to avoid confusion. Also adjust guest permissions so others can modify or only view. These detailed steps reduce back and forth and keep events consistent across calendars. After reviewing details, save the event and send invitations. You should watch for RSVP statuses to confirm attendance. If plans change, drag the event to a new slot or edit the time and notify guests. Google Calendar will offer to update everyone. If something goes wrong, no invites, missing notifications, or wrong time, check the event's calendar sharing settings and each participant's notification preferences and time zones. One quick permissions or time zone fix usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.